Hello students, welcome you all on YourPedia. So my dear students, if you are preparing for the controller of design and patent exam, then this side Mukesh sir from the computer science department. So in this video my dear students, I am providing you some of the important problems, the most important problems which you may face in your upcoming exam. So in this video, I am going to cover problems from the subject algorithm. So my dear students, as you know, you already go with the previous year 2 papers which are already available on YourPedia domain. So you can download those 2 previous year papers from there. And by analyzing these 2 papers, I am giving you some 15 problems from the subject algorithm in which you may face the same problem in your upcoming exam. As you know, in previous papers, the question related to heap sort, binary search, time complexity. So these are some type of problems they asked previously. But here, basis on that analysis, I am providing you some of the important problems of design and analysis of algorithm. See my dear students, they already asked the heap sort about the construction of heap sort. In the similar manner, you may be ready for these type of problems that are from the quick sort, merge sort and insertion sort. You have to define what is particular sort, their properties, is it stable, is it in place, and you have to write step by step procedure of sorting. So here is the first problem, that is explain the working of quick sort and illustrate the operation of partition algorithm of the array on this given input. Here the second problem is construct a AVL tree from the given input set. Here you have to construct the AVL tree, which is a balanced binary search tree. So in this question he also can modify the total number of rotations, like you have to count the total number of operations, either it is left left, left right, right left or right right on a given particular input. The next problem may be like explain the concept of linear and binary search with their running time. So in this case you have to explain what is linear search, what is binary search, how they works, and you have to explain for each searching technique one example. Finally, you have to conclude the problem with the time complexity. Next problem is again the explain the working of merge sort. Next, the most important problem is explain Prim's algorithm as well as Kruskal algorithm. So because spanning tree, the application of spanning tree is very huge. So you may find problem related to Prim's as well as Kruskal. Again, one of the most important problem is discuss in detail about the class P, NP, NP hard and NP complete, and you have to mention some of the problems or application of each class. Next important problem from the greedy technique, that is greedy knapsack, and you have to finally give a final output of the given input. The next problem related to that only, that is 0-1 knapsack, which uses dynamic technique. Next is you have to go with compare BFS and DFS algorithm with an example, and we have to write the whole procedure how nodes are visited with their time complexities. Next is we have to construct the optimal traveling salesman problem. One of the important problem which I cannot include in this is matrix chain multiplications. And next is some of the problems related to again insertion sort, and yes, one more important is Discastra. If you go with the spanning tree, then Prim's and Kruskal, and if you go with the single source shortest path, then Discastra, and related to Discastra again we have Bellman 4. And next one is you have to ask about the asymptotic notations, and finally the problems related to time complexities. So my dear students, these are some of the, I can say, 15 problems which are very important for the upcoming exams. And in the next video, I'll provide you some more 15 problems of either algorithm or some other subjects. And in this way, we are trying to give you like 150 most important problems. So you can practice these problems. And if you want to get the PDF, then please visit YourPedia domain, yourpedia.in, where you can find out the PDF of the list of important problems which may ask in this exam. And if you want to join, or you want to prepare for the exam, that is, we have our dedicated online batch is going on for the pre-exam, main exam, and for the interview. So you can visit yourpedia.in. Thank you so much.